Alright, so we are in the school. This is brand new school, and this guy over here wanna be a YouTuber.
Hi, my name is Mahayuna and I'm 9 years old.
Probably one of the youngest Balinese YouTubers. Yay! We wish you good luck. Good morning, Bali.
Hi, good morning. Selamat pagi. So today we will go to my friend's school. She's having a blessing ceremony for the new school, so we will see how it is.
We are in the kindergarten school. As you can see over there, it's super cool. It's brand new. It's the blessing ceremony in progress. I'm wearing the fancy hat. This is the Balinese udang. So, well, you can Google about it.
So she will talk a lot about how the blessing ceremonies, and then she also later on will talk about what is her schools. You know, I mean, like I know that the schools is about a kindergarten school, and then yeah. So she will show us. She will show us later on about your the rooms and everything. Yeah.
Right. So today we have our blessing ceremony. It is the sign that we start the school officially and spiritually here in Bali. And what we do at the moment is still part of the ceremony. So basically, we will pray there every day.
You see that at the back there are so many offerings that we need when we have a blessing ceremony. And the priest, as the leader of the ceremony, they will lead the process of how the blessing ceremony is. Alright, so this is the name of the school, Beverly School Indonesia. Right now we will see how the classroom is. So we will have a class tour here. So great is it actually?
It's not ready yet, basically, because we will split it with a scaffold. Half of this gonna be multimedia room. There we'll have our reading corner. The dining room, because we'll have different lunch time for the nursery, preschool, kindy and kindy B. So we're gonna use it in still empty because we haven't put the bulletin board since we are still focusing on the ceremony. We're gonna finish it later. But as I mentioned before, when we have our optimum capacity, we're gonna have like 4 classes, and this corner is gonna be reading corner later on. So we omit the library over there and move it to every classes.
For your information, that this school actually has 4 levels. First one is nursery, and then preschool, kindergarten A, and kindergarten B.
A lot of fancy stuff. I think they're gonna put all offerings over here.
Yeah, they will bury all the offering under the ground.
Yeah, that's the local tradition. Very interesting, by the way.
for coming here and take your tour here. And feel free, if you have kids around 2 to 6, feel free to come to our school and book a school tour. Or if you can't do that, you can just simply go and check our website www.beverly.school. And also you can follow us on Instagram at Beverly School ID. Thank you.
Alright, so that's it for today's vlog. We're gonna provide the link to the school link below, like always. And thank you, see you next time.